Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about one way to analyze a company's fundamentals, and compare them with those of its main competitors. To do that, we will look at Exxon Mobil stock, and we will compare it with some of the sector-leading companies. The first things to do is comparing price, trading volumes, and market cap. These are valuable data that are very useful for getting a first idea of a stock, and the interest investors have in it. Looking at the graphs, we can immediately see that investor attention to Exxon stock is very high, because of the high volumes and high market cap. This is a first important data to consider for their investment evaluations. The second step, we like very much, is to compare companies on the basis of the number of their employees, and the profit each employee produces for them. In this case, Exxon has a substantial number of employees and a profit per employee ratio, second only to Chevron. This data gives us an order of magnitude about the size of the company, and its ability to produce money. Another way to understand if a company can attract the attention of the investor, is to look at its PE ratio and its free cash flow yield. These are two very important metrics, that help investors to evaluate a company by the price to the earnings per share and the free cash flow to the market cap. The two metrics for Exxon are certainly very positive, especially the free cash flow yield, second only to Shell. If we look at the main economic data in the balance sheet, such as total assets and total liabilities and current assets and current liabilities, we notice they are consistent with each other, especially when related to the size of these companies under analysis. In order to go deeper, it is necessary to know, and understand, the main parameters that arise from the process of this information. These are, the book value, the price to book value, the current ratio and the total ratio. Each of these data provides valuable information for the investor, who will be able to evaluate his or her investment strategies, with the help of these data as well. If you need more information, download our My Stock Comparison Excel file. We leave the link in the description, where you can eventually download it. Within it, you will find all the main comparison parameters and a detail on their usability.
Futures, stocks and options trading involves substantial risk of loss, and is not suitable for every investor. Please, read this disclaimer carefully. Thank you for watching.
Coneicom, Trading and Investing Research.